Hey guys, Aaron here. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a Nissan Titan. This procedure will work for a Nissan Armada as well. This particular vehicle is a 2004, but it will work 2004 through 2015. They're all the same. So you can get your cabin air filter at any auto parts store. This one I got from O'Reilly's. Of course, it's an aftermarket filter. It's not a genuine OEM filter, but I think it cost around $15. I'll include a link in the description for their website on how much exactly it was. No tools except for one are required, and that's a 5/16 or an 8mm socket. You can use a wrench too. I'm just using my impact driver to get to the nut. So let's go ahead and get going with it. First thing you want to do is empty out your glove box, and if you look, there's actually a little tab right here, and there's a tab up here, and what you're gonna have to do is kind of squeeze to the sides. You have to squeeze the whole box to the left, and once you do that, it'll drop down. And so you can see the door back here. There's one screw you're gonna have to remove this access panel to that filter, and it's right here. That's gonna be your 5/16 or your 8mm socket. That's gonna go on top of that. Okay, so once you got your socket on there, you can go ahead and remove that bolt. Pretty easy, and just lift up, and it comes on out. As you can see, someone actually removed this filter in the past and didn't replace it. Kind of a bummer, but we're gonna go ahead and throw the new ones in. Pretty simple. They just slide in there, and as you'll notice, there's actually two filters that go in there side by side, just like this. What I like to do with the first filter is just insert it, and then I'll actually scoot it over with my fingers to make room for the second filter, which kind of is pressed in there. You gotta compress the filter a little bit just to get it started, and once you do, it pushes in there evenly. We could take our little access door and put it on back. Make sure the top is in pretty good, and then go ahead and put that bolt back in, but be careful because you won't need a lot of torque to get that, and this little clip right here will strip out fairly easy. I've had that happen to me before in the past. And once that door's back on, what you can do is just take your glove box and put it back up. You're gonna have to kind of bend it to the left a little bit, and once you do, you should be able to close your box no problem. Make sure your lines are all correct and it's not kind of cockeyed in there, and that's pretty much it. After that, go ahead, turn on your blower motor, see how the airflow is. If your filters are dirty, you will experience a little bit more airflow, and of course the air probably will be smelling better too. So hope this video has helped you guys out. If it has, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave something in the comment section. Take care, guys.